This is the easiest and best rice dish that you'll ever create in under 35 minutes from scratch. Today I want to show you how to cook my Asian coconut fried rice. First of all, we need to wash some basmati rice under the tap in a sieve for about 3 or 4 minutes. And once we've done that, we need to leave it to drain for about 10 minutes. While that's draining, we can fry some coconut oil, garlic, ginger and cumin seeds. Cook those for around 5 minutes until the cumin seeds start to pop. Once they have, you can throw in a quantity of finely chopped onion. Cook that for about 5 minutes until the onion is soft, by which time we can then add our rice that's been standing. Now turn the heat down to a minimum. The tiniest flame you have is the one you need. We're going to stir fry this rice for 10 minutes in total. I'm just adding some lime zest and some salt and sugar. As I said, 10 minutes, no less. And the objective here is to start toasting the rice, and this helps us achieve a separate grain finish. Once the 10 minutes are up, add in a quantity of chicken broth, chicken stock or vegetable stock, whatever you have by you. And that's going to be fabulous. Now let's put in a can of coconut milk and get that all mixed in. Mix it in really, really well. And once you see around the sides, things are starting to come to a simmer. As you can see there, we can then pop the lid on, smallest flame again, and we're looking for 15 minutes only. Take the lid off just to have a little look at everything. By all means, have a little fluff up the rice just once or twice, but we're not finished yet. Put the lid back on, turn the heat off and leave it for 10 minutes. This completes the cooking process. At the end of that 10 minutes, you're going to have perfect, fluffy grains of rice, all separate grains, absolutely spot on. I promise you, this is exactly how it's going to turn out if you follow these instructions. It's my perfect Asian coconut rice, everyone. And thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm going to get stuck in.